Multiples of what are intelligence. The theory of multiple intelligence promoters project learning by the student can produce them with opportunities that improve the understanding of concepts and skills at the service of new objectives while intent of preparing for adult life. Multiple intelligence in the school field. The application of the theory of multiple intelligence in the school environment is based on the fact that since there are different intelligence, different and personal educational strategies must also be used to teach, according to the type of intelligence that predominates in the student, and more in learning the English language. Howard Gardner. Howard Gardner in American psychologist and the teacher proposed a new model, multiple intelligence. Intelligence is not only reduced to the academic field but is the combination of all the intelligence of people. Howard Gardner proposed a definition and intelligence turning his physical, biological potential were in the influence of the environment and which the individual develops his cognitive skills, the disposition to solve problems and create products and decided propose a different always to be smart. 1. Linguist verbal intelligence. Linguist verbal intelligence consists on the ability to master oral and written language. In the words, in the ability to understand the order and meaning of words in reading, writing, speaking, and listening. 2. Logical mathematical intelligence. The logical mathematical intelligence contemplates the capacity for logic, abstraction, complex solving, numerical calculation, problem solving, and critical thinking. 3. Visual spatial intelligence. Visual spatial intelligence refers to the ability to mentally visualize, recreate, and manipulate spaces. Other skills than is typical intelligence encompass are dimension, object, creating intellectual images, present ideas, visualize, facing visual details, and drawing. 4. Musical intelligence. Musical intelligence responds on the ability to interact with an instrumental and layering sound, neural and capacity in order to produce a high level and complete piece of music. 5. Body intelligence. Body intelligence is the ability to coordinate body movements and handle objects with great skill. It contemplates the body ability to express emotion, easy dance, compete in sport, and creating in visual arts. 6. Interpersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence is the ability to feel empathy of the communication and interact with other people. 7. Interpersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence responds on the ability to know yourself and understand your own feelings, thoughts, and emotions, and constantly positive knowledge to expert effective in the life. 8. Naturist intelligence. Natural practice intelligence is translated into the sensibility they show the people show toward the natural world. He is always observing nature, reconciling flora and fauna, making certain distinction in the natural environment, and using still state the productivity. And the importance of multiple intelligence in education. Working one different intelligence in the classroom makes any user to work and skill at the same time. From social skill, musical, hearing, or creativity, motor skills, decision making, logic, or problem solving. Thus not to promoting educational innovation. Using intelligence of multiplication classroom instruments has number and clear benefits of all students. You will research the activity the word intelligence should and spark or cooperative and kinetic. Your student will sit there, self-esteem, strengthening, and the environment in your classroom will improve. End. Thank you.